Hi everyone. In the previous video we have seen about variables, comments and data types. So now let us see in a practical way about these concepts. So let us discuss one by one about these concepts in a practical way. So this is our agenda today. So firstly let us discuss about what is meant by comments. So the comments are not being executed by the compiler or an interpreter. It is just for our understanding purpose. So the comments can be used either by using the hash symbol or single triple quotes. So you can view the comments either in a new line or the code just you have written beside it. So now let us see and execute. So how to view the comments? By using the hash symbol we can view the comments of a single line. This is a comment. So in this way you can able to view the single line comment in Python. And now let us see how to view the multi-line comment in Python by using the single triple quotes. This is a multi-line comment. So whenever you want to give a comment for multiple lines in a multiple lines, you can able to give this single triple quotes. So this is the way of giving the comments in a new line. So now let's see how to give just beside the code which we have written. So let us take, I am taking a variable and storing a value, and I am writing just beside the code this a variable stores number. So this is how you can able to give the comment beside the code. Multi-line comment. A stores value 20. So the comments are not being executed by the compiler or an interpreter. It is just for our understanding purpose. So when we run the code and the comments are not being executed, you can see here. So now let us see about the next concept. So how to name the variables? You can name the variables by using the uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits or an underscore. But here you can able to see that you must begin either with an uppercase, lowercase or an underscore, but not with a digit while giving or beginning a variable. So what are those while not giving a variable? So no keywords must be used and no special other characters such as at the rate, commas, greater than, any other special characters cannot be used to name a variable. So also the space is also not taken as a variable to store. So what is about assignment operator? So assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable, as simple as that. So now let us see what is about print function. Print function is used to, whenever you use to print any type of data or you want to see the get the output in a console, we use the print function. And what is about the type function? Type function is used to check the type of data we are storing in a variable or the type of data it is. By using type function, we get what is the type of data it is. So now let us see how to assign a value to the variable. Suppose a equals to 30. What actually happens here is we are storing the value 30 in a variable a by using the assignment operator. So equal to symbol is taken as assignment operator. So now let us see how to name the variables in a practical way. You can give anything such as uppercase letters. You can start with the uppercase letters. Let us take variable or a number equals to 100. So this is the way you can give a variable as uppercase. So now let us give in a lowercase letters number 200. Also you can give the numbers number 3 while naming a variable 300, and also you can give an underscore number 4 equals to 400. So you can combine all these uppercase, lowercase, underscore and a number or a digits, but you can start with the uppercase, lowercase or an underscore. Now let's print these variables or values. Print number. So print function is used to get the output in the console. And number number 3 and also number 4. Let us run. So you got the output of 4 variables values which we are stored in a variables. So now let us see how not to give a name a variable. So these are the common mistakes while we are giving the or naming the variable. So we cannot give the keywords as a variable name. So let us take true, or let us take if condition. If it's a keyword which has a special reserved meaning, so all the keywords cannot be taken as a naming a variables. If 200, and let us see how to print this condition. We get an error here. Why? Because if is a keyword, so the keywords are not used to name a variable. Also, we cannot start a name or name a variable by using the digit or a number. Now let us see it. One number. Let us take 200 and print it. So we got an error here. Why? Because the naming a variable cannot start with a number or any other special characters. Also see that, for suppose @ symbol. So this is how we should not give the variables or name a variables. So now let us see how to assign our double assignment. So a comma b equals to 10 comma 20. Let us print these values as a and b as separate values. Why? Because unpacking occurs here. So by using a single assignment operator, you can able to assign values to different variables. Now let us see the conceptual understanding about double assignment. So a comma b equals to suppose 10 comma 20. So what actually happens here is the value 10 is stored in variable a and the value 20 is stored in the variable b. So gets unpacked and we are printing it. So this is the way it stores in a and 20 is stored in b and gets unpacked and printed as a different variables and values. So now let us see about the different types of data in Python. So we have four different types, not only four, the other we see in the next or upcoming videos. So let us see about string, integer, float and boolean data types now. So let us see first strings. Strings. What is meant by string data type? Though the stream of characters enclosed either in a single or double quotes is called as a string. So what are the characters actually is? Lowercase, uppercase, digits, any other special characters and also space. So all these whenever it is enclosed either in a single quotes or double quotes, then it is called as a string data type. So now let us store in a variable and see. Single quote, in a single quotes. String. I am giving as a string. So now let us take b equals to, by using the double quotes, hello world, @123, or you can able to give any other special characters such as star and ampersand, percentage symbol, dollar, hash, anything, and also the space is also considered as the string data type. So this is the space I am providing here. So now let us print. The functions must be in lowercase letters. Print a and also print b. Now let us run. So we have executed successfully. Now let us see some more examples. You can take a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are numbers and lowercase letters a, b, c, d, e, capitals. Also the special characters, anything ending as Python space. Let us print one by one, and also let us mix all these characters, like all the characters, different types of characters in a single string as a value. Capital letters, small letters, digits, special characters, space or an underscore, anything. Now let us print. Let us run. Executed successfully. So now let us say about the integer data type. So integer data type, which we have the values as positive, negative and 0. All this is considered as integer data type. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 as a positive number, and b equals to minus 9876 and also 0 value. Let us print them. So this is the way we print integers and store the integers in a variables. So let us check the type of data once by using the type function. Type of A, type of B, also type of C. So class integer data type. So we have seen positive, negative and the 0 is taken as an integer data type. So now let us see about float data type. Float is nothing but f, let us take f as a variable and store the float data type. Suppose 123.456 and print it, print f, and the type of the value it is, let us check by using the type function. Let us run this now. So here float, it is a float data type. What is the concept? How? Let us see now. So let us take variable as a or f equals to 123.456. So here the 123 is called as a integral part and the point is called as a point or decimal point, and this is called as a 456 is called as a decimal value or the fractional value. So in this way you can able to give after the point when you give these numbers, it is considered as a fractional values and as a float data type. So now let's say about the Boolean data type. So Boolean means we have either true or false, these two values, and in true the T must be capital and in false F must be capital. Let us print true, false F must be capital here. Boolean data type here. Bool means Boolean data type. Now let us see what are the values of data type it is. So let us see one by one of string data type. So let us check that. Print type of must be of string data type. Yeah.